Hi everybody and welcome to today's video. In today's video I am actually unboxing this amazing package from Penpaling Paula. It is her newest collections for January and February and I can't wait to open these with you today. So let's get to it. Alright, let's open this beautiful box, and as always Paula has packaged this lovely, I love this colored tissue paper that she uses. But I'm just gonna pull it out of the box. Ooh, maybe I won't. I don't want to battle the box the whole time. So, look at all of these treasures. Oh my gosh, okay. So like I said, this is the January and February kit as far as I know. I'm super excited. I love her style and I love what she's doing. So let's just go ahead and dive into this. So this is their freebie for January and there are a lot of really pretty winter scenes here. I will probably save this and share it with someone who lives a little further north than I do. And then there is a little information about Paula and then some information about the illustrator that Paula worked with. Carry illustration for the month of January, but look how cute. There's the January postcard. I love when I get information about what is included in the box. It just makes everything so much more interesting and fun because you know about what's going on and you know who is behind it, and I just love that. I love that she has done this. So we've got a bunch of washi tapes. I know for a fact these are February, so I'm going to put those to the side until we get to February's. And then we've got 4 for January, and then we've got some stickers. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the stickers. Look at that one. It's a little owl post. How cute is that? I love him. And then this one is probably going to be for February too. It's a little stack of pretty mail. This little pretty postcard is definitely going to be for February. And then look at these. Oh my gosh, I just love these. And these have a very soft, like satiny feel, which I absolutely love. I love the feel of those. Let's go ahead and jump into the stickers and postcards. I'm going to wait to to open the washi tape to the end because I don't want to get this stuff everywhere. So let's just look at everything, the stickers and the postcards. So here is one sticker sheet. It is the Tea Party sticker sheet. And then we've got cozy stamps. I love these. I love that there's this extra added design printed onto it because even though these are perforated stamps, that design still comes with it, and I absolutely love that. I love these. I love any sticker that looks like a stamp. And then we've got these cozy scenes, and I love this little girl putting a letter in the post box, and this typewriter with the desk is just beautiful. And then we've got all things cozy, and there's that owl again. Oh my gosh, I just love these so much. I'm gonna have to be very mindful not to hoard these. And then I'm just pushing the February ones over because I want to continue with the January exclusives. Look at that scene. I don't know about you guys. We took our big Christmas tree down in the living room and de-Christmased everything, but my bedroom still has Christmas in it. And I'm not mad about it. I love my Christmas tree in my bedroom. I love this. Look, and here's a big one of the sticker. Oh, I love that. This whole scene is just so warm. There's a cozy cocoa by the fire, and then this little girl with a post box. I just love this. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Absolutely love. I just love all of the elements and the designs here. It is just absolutely perfect. When I think of January, I really do think of being cozy. January is probably our coldest month here in Florida, and it has actually been pretty cold the past couple of days, and this weekend it's actually supposed to get into the 30s and 40s, which is really cold for Florida. It really does not get into those temperatures often at all. So to be able to get that cold this month is really fun. All right, so Next we have a letter pad, which I didn't expect, so thank you, Paula. I absolutely love these letter pads. The one that I got for December I used a lot. I didn't finish it, so I still have some left over for next year, but I love these stamped images here. And then this owl, it just speaks to me. This is just really, really good. All right, so now that we have gotten January out of the way, let's focus more on February. All right, so let's check out the stickers first. I know you guys love the stickers. I do too. And I love the stickers this month. These are just so much fun. And again, these postmarks just slay me. I love Valentine's Day. Just because it's another excuse to send mail by sending Valentine's, and I love that. So here we have, there isn't a sticker on here I don't like. We've got some wax seals with the actual seal there, a traveler's notebook and ink with some dip pens, a letter holder with watercolors, a typewriter, this fancy brass Victorian clip, a cup with paintbrushes in it, this mail holder. Oh, all of them I love, and I have all of these things, so they're super relevant for my journaling, which is one thing I really love. It's something that I definitely struggle with and have struggled with from the beginning, is using things that don't feel relevant to me and my style or my life or my lifestyle. And there is not a single thing on here that is not actively on my desk right now. So I love that. I love feeling like I can connect with my stationery in that way. So here we have smaller versions of the monthly stickers that we saw right here, which I absolutely love. And then we have an airmail one, and then blue and pink down here with this really delicate scalloped envelope. I love that. I think that's very, very Victorian and just absolutely perfect for the style that is trying to be executed here. And then of course we got more postage stamp stickers, yay! I absolutely love these. They're all floral, which I can totally use year round, and I absolutely love them. The colors are super delicate and really lovely, and again they have the cancellations, but the difference between this and January's is that the cancellation actually comes with the sticker. So it's not just printed all the way around, which I did love. I love that element. I think that's really interesting, but this one you get the entire cancellation, which I also really, really love. So now that we have seen all of the stickers, let's check out the postcards, which, let's be honest, I will probably hoard. No, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna send these out. I have to. They're too beautiful to keep, but look at these. This is a traveler's notebook with some really pretty florals and some mail, which is absolutely lovely. This is a letter which has this really beautiful feather dip pen, and just all of the elements here. You've got the stamping, the wax seal, the florals, the way that the letter is even folded is very, very Victorian, and I love that this was executed perfectly. The elements are just perfect. Again, we've got this Victorian brass clip and some dried florals with a beautiful book. This is exactly what an Edwardian or a Victorian scrapbook might look like, with flowers and something taped in very loosely there. This is just absolutely perfect. We have this adorable typewriter. I love the color, with some florals, and then that same love in a heart shape element that we saw on the sticker sheet. And then this, I am in love with this. This is going in a frame. This is so beautiful. It is the floral sticker sheet, but in a postcard form, and I just love it. I love it. I think it's perfect, and I don't want to send it. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to be terrible, and I'm going to keep it, but I will encourage you to go get your own so you can keep one too. Yeah, I think this February collection is just absolutely to die for. I cannot wait to use these in my journals and my letters. So let's go ahead and open up those washi tapes now. We've opened all the things, so let's jump into the washi tapes. I'm going to take all of the plastic off, and then we'll jump back in. All right, here we are. We've got them all unwrapped, and look at the beautiful rolls we have here. I will be honest, the Christmas washi tapes that I got, I nearly destroyed. There's very little left. I did not use those washi tapes sparingly in any way, and I used quite a bit of the stickers, so I'm really excited to have January's collection. Here we have the Snow Day washi. Yeah, this is the Snow Day. Here is the Snow Day. This is Cozy Scenes. Absolutely love this one. This is Tea Party. Absolutely in love with that. And then the last one is All Things Cozy. Again, I really love these icons, especially that mailbox. And I love that it doesn't repeat for quite some time. That's just really fun. So these are the January washis. Let's go into February. These are the vintage postage, which you guys obviously know I love. Absolutely stunning. Next is vintage stationery, and these again don't repeat for quite some time, so you have plenty of images to choose from. Oh, this is just so perfect. And then the last one is pink plaid. Now the gray one that we got in December went quickly. I just loved it. And this one is definitely a more muted pink. I definitely feel like it's not as pink as the picture shows, but maybe it's the lighting in here, maybe it's a little bit funny, but when I hold it next to it, it has more of a purpley or gray tone. It's definitely a lot cooler, but it doesn't faze me at all because it still matches the same colors. It's kind of hard to see because it's just slightly out of frame, but it does match all of the other same color stories as the other pinks in the collection. But that is it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing the January and February collection from Penpaling Paula and Carrie Illustration. Again, these are the two creators. You can find Paula's information right here. Penpaling Paula is where you can shop, and then this is the illustrator. How fun is that? These are the coolest gals ever. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below, and I will leave all of the links to find these gals down below as well to make it super easy for you. Until next time, I will catch you later. Bye!